Hello student, let's see the question. What is consider the following situation of daily life and think what happens when. The first one, milk is left at room temperature during summer. So at room temperature if you left the milk, what is going to happen? So now see the answer student. The milk will spoil and become sour. Sour means acidic due to bacterial growth which rapidly multiplies in the warm environment. Rapidly multiplies means get increase in the number in the warm environment, producing lactic acid that curdles the milk and alter the taste. So the milk will convert into the curd. This is the first case. Now the second one, you see, an iron tawa pan nail is left exposed to the humid atmosphere. So what will be happen student, that is going to be the corrosion will take place. The iron will rust, forming iron oxide as it reacts with moisture in air, causing a reddish brown coating on the surface. That is what is called student fermenting. The third one is what grapes get fermented. So grapes gets fermented means what? Here is when exposed to yeast, the sugar in the grapes will be converted into alcohol, ethanol, and carbon dioxide gas through a chemical process called fermentation, which is often used to make wine. So here what is the going to be answer? When grapes are exposed to yeast is the bacteria, then the fermentation will take place. That is, the sugar in the grapes will convert it into alcohol and carbon dioxide through the chemical process called fermentation. The next one, third one, food is cooked. So what will happen if the food is cooked? During the cooking, heat is applied to food, causing chemical change in the molecule, breaking down complex compound, denaturing the protein, and altering the textures and favoring the making favor flavor, altering the texture and flavor, making it safe to consume. So, dear student, when you are cooking, heat is applied to food, causing chemical change in its molecule, breaking down complex compound, denaturing protein, and altering the texture and flavor, making it safe to consume. Now, the next one, what is there, student? Food gets digested in body. So what will going to happen if the food is digesting in the body? The digestive system secrete enzyme that break down complex food molecule into smaller simpler components like glucose, amino acid, and fatty acid, which can be absorbed by the body for the energy. So it is also chemical change. We respire. When we breathe, oxygen is taken from the air through the lungs and carbon dioxide is expelled out as a waste product, allowing our cell to utilize oxygen for energy production. So all these situations involve chemical reaction where the initial substance are transformed into different substances due to the environmental factor or biological process. So this is our required answer.